basic things, your basic needs.
Four guys in nose mask. We dey give Oga nose mask now.
Hey, can we be quiet, please? Hey, be quiet. Silent, please. Okay. Hey, Cassie. Listen.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
And if anybody bad try anything, he will be shot at sight. They will kill that individual. So everybody should hear it. The last 20 hours, I've seen our dear state thrown into mourning as we lost lives and properties in a blast that occurred at Bodija. As I stated in a brief release early this morning, preliminary investigations have traced this blast to the storage of explosives by illegal miners at a house on Dejo Oyelese Street, Bodija. Since yesterday, our security agencies, our first responders, emergency services, and all other relevant agencies have been working diligently as they carry out search and rescue operations. Just this morning, another individual was recovered alive from the rubble. I want to assure, just like the emergency team members have validated, search and rescue operations will continue until all lives within the vicinity of the blast are accounted for. We are aware that aside from the immediate perimeter of the incident, people as far as 25 kilometers away may have been affected physically or psychologically. We have therefore put the Emergency Operations Center, which is being headed by Professor Temitope Alunge, to coordinate all search and rescue efforts. I would like to appeal to our people to remain calm as we do everything possible to provide succor to everyone concerned. There are numbers that have been provided to reach out to the Emergency Operations Center. I know the 615 is operational, but you have additional numbers: 0704 994 8057 and 0814 767 2009. If you have any information regarding any person who may still be trapped within that perimeter, please call that number and we will respond to you. Also, let me use this opportunity to appeal to anyone still staying in any of the houses within 250 meters of Ground Zero to move out to government provided accommodation until we check the structural integrity of the buildings in this area. While at the same time, unscrupulous elements who may want to take advantage of this disaster to carry out any form of looting should be warned, because I've asked the security agencies to deal decisively with anyone trying to loot. So they've been placed on high alert to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order. We'll continue to provide regular updates regarding the actions we are taking through the Emergency Operations Center and our various feedback channels on and off social media. The further update we can provide at this time is that we have information regarding the company that was using that residence to store explosives. Rest assured that all that were involved directly and indirectly in bringing this tragedy upon us will be brought to book. Just as we were about starting this press conference, I received a call from Mr. President. I want to specially thank him. He has approved that the National Emergency Management Authority be on ground, and I can confirm they are already on ground, working with us locally here. And he also gave his condolences, to the people that have lost loved ones in this unfortunate incident. And he's also giving us the assurance that he's with us at this trying period for us. So it's a trying time for all of us, but it is at such times like this that we draw on our strength and resilience to be our brothers' keepers.
We can't really say now, but we have put people to give information. And so far, all the victims, some are badly injured, but majority are stable, particularly the children. So all of them are stable. All of them went to me yesterday after receiving one treatment the other. They were just to call for follow-up to ascertain if there's any other thing. But all the children are stable, and they have been taken up to their different houses. So those are in UCH. Apart from those that are badly injured, all of them are stable. Some have been discharged as well. Likewise with humans. So we thank God for that.
Ìjọba Yorùbá, àwọn tí ó wà ní ilé ìwòsàn tó ń bá di ìjàmbá yẹn, ipò wo ganan wà báyìí ní àárọ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó?
Ẹ ṣeun. Àdúrà mi ni pé irú eléyìí kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa. Àwọn tó wà ní ilé ìwòsàn, oríṣiríṣi ilé ìwòsàn ni a gbé wọn lọ lánàá. Àwọn kan wà ní ilé ìwòsàn wa ní Oríta Mẹ́fà. Àwọn kan wà ní Redeemers tó súnmọ́ ibi tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn kan wà ní J-Rafa tó ń gbé lọ sí J-Rafa. Àwọn kan wà ní hospital tó ń pè ní Tri-State. Àwọn kan wà ní Total Health Specialist Hospital. But nínú gbogbo àwọn yìí, apart from àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó yẹ pé ibi tó ti fara pa ṣe díẹ̀, àwọn díẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ ní láàrin wọn. Gbogbo àwọn yòókù yẹn, àwọn míì wà pé pé gbàtọ́ tọ́jú wọn tán, wọ́n ti lọ lé wọn látàlẹ́ àná. Then àwọn ọmọdé tó wà ń bẹ torí hostel àwọn ọmọdé kan sí wọn bẹ̀, àwọn yẹn náà ti gbà wòsàn, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti lọlé. So àwọn tó kù làwọn tí bóyá tá àti ìwò àbí àwọn tó jẹ́ pé bóyá wọ́n fara pa gan, àwọn dẹ̀ ti ń tèkè àwọn kan wà ní ilé ìwòsàn Oríta Mẹ́fà. Thank you. Thank you.
Ẹ ṣeun, identity yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Olúwaṣẹ́rí ìrìnàjò tí wọ́n bí. Commissioner for Health.
Commissioner for what?
Health.
Ẹ ṣeun.